So we're gonna play 5 sound logos, and I want you to guess what those brands are.
Okay.
Ding, ding. Blockbuster.
I don't know. Gosh. It's like the lights going on and like...
What does it say, the thing?
Paramount.
No, it's not.
Bah ouais, le truc des films. Paramount.
20th Century Fox.
Correct.
Isn't that the,
The Lionsgate. Lionsgate.
It's not.
It's not?
No! You're lying to me. Metro Goldwyn Mayer.
Correct.
I think it's less popular in my mind.
You think?
Yeah, I can't. And I'm going to be annoyed now.
Netflix.
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 Correct.
Of course!
You recognize this one?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
No idea. Apple Watch.
No. HBO.
HBO.
Correct. No?
No.
Never heard of it.
Oh, that's so familiar, but... Oh, f***'s sake.